Hello, I wanted to go over with us the um, project repository that we'll be using to submit our lesson plans, our kind of gaming, scoring ideas, our final project walkthroughs. So you'll notice when you come in to the forums now, you will see this sticky forum. It's the class repository forum, and I'm going to click that. This will be our repository where we will kind of store our main three parts of the project. So now for this week and until Tuesday, we really want to be thinking about our lesson plan. So part one, kind of what that looks like. I've got a template because I'm going to also do a project, and you'll see mine down here. You can use it kind of as a guide if you want to. My lesson plan is all filled out. If you wanted to also use this one, you could open it in Google Docs and make a copy and then just rename it what you're wanting yours to be called. Mine's usually I like to keep them within a page, sometimes two. I keep them short, but you can use whatever format you're comfortable with. If you already have a format, then feel free to use that. But we really want to be thinking, for the next several days about what's that lesson we want to teach, what's that teachable thing that we want to do inside Minecraft in the game environment. So you'll see mine when you come in to this little lesson plan example. The second part will be, and this will kind of go hand in hand with the first part. You don't necessarily have to really have a good idea how you want to do this quite yet when you're working on your lesson plan. But this is going to be your quest and achievements and badges and experience points concept design. So how do you plan on letting the user know when they have met a particular level or an achievement or so forth? So kind of that gaming concept, that gaming idea. And I've got mine here also here. Let me open it in a separate window. And you'll see it here. And this is something I do, this little leaderboard I'll do live as the class is going on, because I have my kids all in the same area. And so as they accomplish, either the team or the user accomplishes this particular achievement or level, that's where I update it. And so that's done live as class is going on. I try to be as real time as possible when students, for example, in this case, will program their turtle to move 5 steps. So either they let me know or I see it when I'm in there observing in the class. And then part 3 will be kind of encompasses a couple of steps. One step will be actually going in world and building, and so I'm going to keep our environment up for a while, probably till 6 today, and then I'll change it over to our building world. So that world will be changing. It'll be a completely flat terrain. It'll be divided up into our 12 segments, and then those segments will be where we will work on our lesson plan, our lesson ideas. And so that is going to be switching over tonight. And it is Thursday the 9th. So tonight that'll switch over, and we'll have kind of a clear idea of what the space will look like. So that's how that third part will look. That's where we'll build, where we will start to work on our ideas and see what other people are working on, since it's all on the same server.